Hello and welcome to course selection for senior year government here at West Springfield High School. My name is Jason Croston. I am the government team leader. At the end of this presentation, if you have any questions, please feel to contact me at jtcroston@fcps.edu. Or, of course, as always, your junior year social studies teacher. You should also be getting a self-assessment sheet handed out by this teacher to help you better select from the many different levels of government we have at West Springfield. As government is a mandatory class that you must pass in order to graduate, it is important that you choose the level that best fits both your skill level and future plans. I'll be briefly discussing our multiple levels here, as you can refer to this chart. I'll be starting with our highest rigor class, which is AP US and Comparative Government. This is a class that has two AP classes rolled into one. You'll be learning about international systems of government, as well as the United States systems of government. The teacher who teaches AP US and Comparative Government will be making a more in-depth video comparing the differences between her class and regular AP US government. So be on the lookout for that. This class will award you with a GPA bump of +1, which means if you have 3.0, it becomes a 4.0. And as this is two AP classes, you have two AP exams, allowing you to take an example of up to 6 possible college credits with you if you pass both tests. AP US Government just focuses on US government. There's no international component. There's a GPA bump of +1, and with one AP exam, again, a possibility of 3 college credits if you pass the tests. Dual Enrollment US Government is an introductory college level class. This is created in conjunction with the NOVA Community College System. Again, this focuses only on the United States government, and this teacher will be creating a further video to go more in depth on this class. There's a GPA bump of +1 for taking this class, and while there's no AP exam, you can still get up to 6 NOVA college credits. Now, there's less emphasis on testing, but you're going to be a lot more project-based learning, so you'll be looking at more unit projects for the majority of your grades. Lastly on this list, we have Honors USVA Government. This will be, again, a focus only on the United States government. This gives you a 0.5 GPA bump, but there is no college credit. Not on this list if you're looking for just the least rigorous, easiest class to take. If you're just interested perhaps in checking a box, graduating, and moving on with your life, that would be regular or team-taught USVA government. Again, if you have any questions, please feel to contact me at jtcroston@fcps.edu or ask your junior year social studies teacher. Thank you and have a wonderful day.